Take off, meaning 1. To remove something, especially clothes. He took off his clothes and got into the shower. He took off his clothes and got into the shower. Meaning 2. To spend time away your work. He took 2 weeks off in September. He took 2 weeks off in September. Meaning 3. If an aircraft, bird, or insect takes off, it leaves the ground and begins to fly. The plane took off at 8:30. The plane took off at 8:30. Meaning 4. To start to be successful or popular. Her singing career had just begun to take off. Her singing career had just begun to take off. Meaning 5. To suddenly leave somewhere, usually without telling anyone that you are going. When he saw me, he took off in the other direction. When he saw me, he took off in the other direction. Meaning 6. To copy the way a particular person speaks and behaves, or the way something is done, usually in order to entertain other people. She is really good at taking people off. She is really good at taking people off.